To achieve an emblematic model for the cutting tool manufacturing companies, it is a very ambitious challenge that incorporates design as well as engineering besides a generous dose of good luck. The COLDSTEEL Spartan is one of those tools. The design philosophy is very hard to determine. The archetype on which it is constructed is not clear. What is clear is that it's a fantastic resignification of an historical design, the Spartan copies. What characterizes the copies, besides its size, is the prominent handguard, a recurved blade, and a clip point to puncture. On the COLDSTEEL Spartan, we find a recurved plain edge, arguably by some as the perfect definition of a recurved edge. Apart from that fact, the tip keeps the collineality with the main axis of the knife, and it has a long clip point that allows it to get a very aggressive point on a rather short blade. The blade is made in highly stain-resistant AUS-8 steel, which makes the knife perfect for daily carry, and the bead-blasted finish not only contributes to the aggressive aesthetics of the copies, but it is also a very durable finish for a daily carry tool. One of the most remarkable characteristics of the blade is the deployment button. That, in this knife, it was replaced by a flat deployment plate on the spine that acts not only as a quick deployment device, but it also makes it completely ambidextrous. The chassis construction is equally strong. The pivot is the one with the bigger diameter that I have ever seen on a folder. It is even bigger than the one fitted on the Extrema Ratio RAW, and the chassis structure has the same proportions. The triad lock system, it is the strongest available of all folders. As it can be expected, the thickness of the spring not only warranties a continuous contact with the blade, but it has enough material on the mechanism so it allows wear for a long useful life of the knife. The scales are made in Zytel, which is a superior development over the Grivery, and allows a better grip, better resistance, and a much better aesthetic qualities. It comes standard with a pocket clip, and because the knife is not symmetrical, it comes with a second one to be carried by the left-hand users. It is a knife that one can feel on the hand because of its design. It is felt in the pocket because of its dimensions, and its operation is audible meters away. The ergonomy of the handle is also extracted from the Greek copies. It protects the hand during the use and allows to use it as an impact tool. In this folder, it works on the same way as in the original, and at the same time, the handle cradles the blade safely when carried in the pocket. But the most important characteristic is that it safeguards the hand and makes sure that the knife does not come off the hand on a defensive situation. Its design, size, finishing and quality is only comparable with high-quality folders as the zero tolerance. But the difference with those is that the Spartan is worth only a quarter of the ZTs. It is a folder that works perfectly as a military knife, defensive knife, camping or survival knife, or even as an EDC knife if size is not an issue for the owner. In my opinion, the Spartan could be one of the best 3 folders that anybody could get.